Children, today we are going to solve exercise 2.1, PDF of which exercise we have already sent you earlier. Today is the explanation part of it. You can see the question. Today we are going to take the word problems of this exercise. Right? The first word problem is about a rectangular sheet. A rectangle sheet of paper is 12 integer 1/2 centimeter long and 10 integer 2/3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Perimeter means you have to find out the length of this rectangular sheet. Okay, for which you have been given length 12 integer 1/2 and width, that is breadth, is given to you 10 integer 2/3 centimeter, and you have to find out perimeter of it. First of all, recollect the formula that is to be used to find out the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, twice of length plus breadth. Right? The steps will be like this. Length is equal to 12 integer 1/2. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. You know how it has to be done. 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 25 by 2 centimeter. Width or breadth 10 integer 2/3 becomes 32 by 3 centimeter. Perimeter to be found out. So perimeter of a rectangular sheet is equal to 2 into L plus B. Substitute the value of length and breadth, and you can find the denominators are not same. Find out LCM, make the denominators like, and then continue the calculation. You have seen so many sums where addition and subtraction of fraction numbers with unlike denominators were there, and what all procedure we did, same thing you have to carry out over here. And so we got, here we multiply 3 to get 6 in the denominator place, and here you will multiply 2 to get 6 in the denominator place. 3 25s are 75 and 2 32s are 64. So 75 plus 64, add first, and whatever answer you get, you have to multiply 2 to it. What will you get is 139. And what I did, where did this 2 go? I have carried out the cancellation, that is 2 1s are and 2 3s are. So 2 is cancelled, and in the denominator place, in place of 6 we have 3. 75 plus 64 gives you 139. 2 3s are 6. So 3 we have in the denominator place. On dividing 139 by 3, we will get 46 integer 1/3 centimeter. So perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 46 integer 1/3 or 1/3 centimeter. Move on to the next word problem. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE and rectangle BCDE. In the adjacent figure, you can see it's a figure made up of two closed figures. One is triangle, the other one is rectangle, having one side common. Base of the triangle is going to be the length of this rectangle. Okay, the sides are given to you. AB 5 by 2 centimeter, BE 2 integer 3/4, which is one of the side of the triangle at the same is the length of the rectangle BCDE or BEDC, and the third side of triangle will be 3 integer 3/5. You have length of all the three sides of, measure of all the three sides of the triangle ABE, and then you have width of the rectangle and length of the rectangle. Using this measurement, what you have to do, you have to find the perimeter of both the figures, and you have to compare which of the perimeter is greater, whether perimeter of triangle is greater or perimeter of rectangle is greater. And for this you have to find perimeter of both the closed figures, triangle as well as rectangle. So from the figure, measures of the sides of triangle are as follows, as I have already read out or told you. You just have to convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. That's what I have done. Okay, and perimeter means sum of the measures of all the three sides of the triangle. So perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5. LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is 20, and just carrying out further calculation of making the denominators same. 5 by 2 becomes 50 by 20, 11 by 4 becomes 55 by 20, and 18 by 5 becomes 72 by 20. Now the denominators are same. So you can add up the numerators. 50 plus 55 plus 72 gives you 177 upon 20. On dividing it further, we get 8 integers 17 by 20 centimeter. This is the perimeter of triangle ABE. Similarly, we'll find out the perimeter of rectangle BCDE. That is this one, BCDE. Okay, using the formula of perimeter of rectangle, 2 into L plus B. LCM is 12. So to make 4 12, I am going to multiply 3. 3 11s are 33. 4 3s are 12. 6 becomes 12 when you multiply 2. So 2 7s are 14. 6 2s are 12. Now add this. First you solve this bracket and then you multiply it with 2. Okay. So 33 plus 14 gives you 47 upon 12, and you have 2 here to be multiplied. You can see 2 1s are and 2 6s are 12. Do the cancellation and you get 47 by 6. Divide 47 by 6 and you get 7 integer 5 by 6. I have not done the rough calculation. You are capable enough to do the calculation, convert the improper fraction into a mixed fraction by dividing 47 by 6. Is that clear to you? Let's move on to the next and the last word problem which I am going to do for you. There are 2 more word problems, question number 7 and question number 8, that has to be practiced on your own by you. Okay, it will be a practice work for you and you have to solve it on your own. Let's continue with the 6th word problem. Sahil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 integer 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 integer 3 by 10 because perimeter of frame is 7 integer 3 by 10. So उससे बड़ा पिक्चर आप लगा नहीं सकते. तो क्या करना है? How much should the picture be trimmed? तो फिर पिक्चर के साइड्स कितना ट्रिम करोगे ताकि वो पिक्चर फ्रेम में फिट हो जाए. ट्रिम मतलब कटिंग करोगे. कटिंग करके उसके मेज़र को फ्रेम के मेज़र इक्वल टू द फ्रेम मेज़र यू हैव टू डू सो दैट द पिक्चर कैन बी पुट अप इन द फ्रेम. तो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा. यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 7 integer 3 by 10 from 7 integer 3 by 5 because picture is bigger than the frame. And how could I make out? Because it is said how much should the picture be trimmed. आप ट्रिम कब करते हो? किस चीज़ का ट्रिमिंग करते हो? जो बड़ा हो उसको. तो पिक्चर बड़ा है तो उसको ट्रिम करोगे, ट्रिम करके सेट करोगे ताकि वो फ्रेम के अंदर आ जाए. एंड टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मच बिगर इट इज़ दैन द फ्रेम, what will you do? You will subtract it. So I have done it. 7 integer 3 by 5 minus 7 integer 3 by 10. Don't make the mistake that here the integers are same but the fraction part is different, and 3 upon 10 you will take it that it is bigger. No, it's not bigger, it's smaller than the previous one, that is 3 by 5. So डिनोमिनेटर्स सेम करो, LCM 10 है, और उसके बाद सब्ट्रैक्शन कैरी आउट करो तो आपको पता चलेगा कि विल गेट 3 by 10. 3 by 10 centimeter, the picture has to be trimmed from all the 4 sides, then only you can set the picture in the frame. As I told you, question number 7th and 8th are same as the word problems which I have explained you, and you are going to solve it on your own. If you have any doubt, do call me or text me. Okay, now it's turn to solve exercise 2.2. Very simple. In this exercise we are going to see multiplication of fraction numbers. Now question number 3, question number 1 and 2, they are very simple. From the figure you have to make out the fraction numbers. Okay, it's a type of multiple choice question that I will help you out at the end of this exercise 2.2. Let's begin with question number 3. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Here you can see first sum under question number 3 is 7 multiplied by 3 by 5. Very simple it is. 7 here is an integer and it is in the numerator place. Okay, in that case, in case of multiplication, you need not make the fraction numbers with like denominators. You need not find out the LCM. You just have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. It is unlike the process carried out in addition and subtraction of fraction numbers. So 7 3s are 21. And in the denominator of 7 we have 1. We all know, I had already explained you, integers have 1 in their denominator. When nothing is there, 1 is there. So 5 1s are 5 and 7 3s are 21. 21 is an improper fraction, and in the question itself it is given convert into a mixed fraction. So here compulsorily you cannot leave 21 by 5 like that. You have to carry out further division. Divide 21 by 5 and you will get 5 4s are 20, and so the mixed fraction will be 4 integer 1 upon 5. Likewise, you have to continue with the other sums. Few I am going to do for you and the rest you have to practice it yourself. Okay, 4 integer multiplied by 1 upon 3 or 4 multiplied by 1 upon 3 gives you 4 1s are 4 divided by 3. Divide 4 by 3 and you get 1 integer 1 by 3. Next, see, you can see the number. First number, second number, and directly I have jumped to 6th. Because after doing this first two sums, the rest of the sums, that is 3rd, 4th, 5th, you can do it yourself. They are as simple as the first and second one which I have solved for you. Here you can see 5 by 2 multiplied by 6. Okay, here 6 and 2. 6 is in the numerator, 2 is in the denominator place. Something is common between these two numbers, numerator and denominator. 2 is common. 2 1s are and here 2 3s are. So after doing the cancellation, what do I get? 3 is left with 5. So 5 3s are 15. In these two cases, there was nothing that was common between the numerator and denominator, but here we have. So we carried out further calculation, simplified it, and then whatever numbers were left, multiplied and wrote the answer. Here you can see 20 multiplied by 4 by 5, 5 goes here, 4s are. So 4 4s are 16. Understood? So we have number 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 and 10 to be solved by you on your own, and in case if you have any difficulty, give me a call. Question number 5. Here again question 4 is a picture, is a question with picture or figure where you have to answer looking at the figure. That I will help you at the end of this exercise. Question number 5. Find 1/2 of 24. Fifth A has 2 sums to be solved, but the fraction number taken for both the cases or in both the cases is 1/2. You have to find out 1/2 part of 24. इस तरह का क्वेश्चन जब होता है तब आप क्या करोगे, ऑफ के जगह पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन लगाओगे. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाफ पार्ट ऑफ 24. 24 का 1/2 पार्ट फाइंड करोगे. तो इसके लिए आप क्या करोगे, आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 1/2 को 24 के साथ. उसी तरह से यहाँ पे 46 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 1/2 के साथ. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 2 के टेबल में 24 कब आता है, डिवाइड 24. 24 ones are 24 and 2 ones are 2. 24 divided by 2 gives you 12. Similarly 46 divided by 2 you get 23. इसी तरह से आपको B और C सॉल्व करना है. उसी क्वेश्चन में B और C है, मैं आपको D करके दिखाती हूँ. A and D I am doing it for you. B और C आप खुद से प्रैक्टिस करोगे. ओके. So here you have 4/5. You have to find out the 4/5th part of 20 and here 4/5th part of 35. Multiply 5 4s are 20, 4 4s are 16 and here 5 7s are 35, so 4 7s are 28. So इस तरह से इसको सॉल्व करोगे. I have written B and C self practice. आगे चलते हैं, बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 के साथ. देखते हैं मल्टीप्लाई एंड एक्सप्रेस एज अ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. जैसे आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 किया था उसी तरह से आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 करोगे. फ़र्क इतना है कि इन 3 है वो मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया गया है, तो एक स्टेप और बढ़ेगा जहाँ पे आप मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करोगे. फिर बाकी का प्रोसेस जैसे आपने पहले किया था उसी तरह से करना है. ओके. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26/5. अभी देर इज़ नथिंग कॉमन बिटवीन 3 and 5. कॉमन आप ढूंढोगे न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर के बीच, न्यूमरेटर और न्यूमरेटर के बीच में नहीं, या डिनोमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर के बीच में नहीं. कॉमन अगर फाइंड करना है या और फाइंड करके कट करना है, कैंसिल करना है, तो एक न्यूमरेटर और एक डिनोमिनेटर के बीच में करोगे. ओके. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है 3 और 5, या तो फिर 26 और 5 के बीच में. अब हम क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे 26 को 3 के साथ, फिर 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे एंड ऑन डिवाइडिंग आई गेट 15 इंटीजर 3/5. आशा करती हूँ कि आप समझ सकते हो, इस सम्स को समझ रहे हो. अगर कोई दिक्कत, इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, देन डू लीव अ मैसेज इन द ग्रुप और ऑन माई पर्सनल नंबर. तो उसी तरह से B को सॉल्व करोगे. 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 6 इंटीजर 3/4. 6 इंटीजर 3/4 हो जाता है 27/4. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 gives you 27/4. 5 27s are 135. 135/4 डिवाइड करते आपको मिलता है 33 इंटीजर 3/4. सो इसी तरह से आपको आगे बढ़ना है. ओके. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो 78/4, लास्ट डिजिट यहाँ पे 8 है और ये है 4, जो दोनों यहाँ पे दोनों नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल है. तो मैंने वो फैक्टर्स लिखे, 2 और 2 गॉट कैंसिल और यहाँ पे मिलता है आपको 39/2. 39 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हुए आपको मिलता है 19 इंटीजर 1/2. सो लेट्स see which all sums you have to do it as a self practice. Sum number C, D and F इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 आपको करना है। ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है, उसके सम नंबर C, D and F इट्स फॉर सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस। अब आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, और इसमें और कुछ नहीं है, उसी जिस तरह से हम आपने पहले किया था, ये आप देख सकते हो 4/5 ऑफ 20, उसी तरह से यहाँ पे आपको करना है। फ़र्क इतना है कि यहाँ पे जो नंबर दूसरा वाला नंबर लिया गया है वो मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है, उसको इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करो, फिर जो कुछ भी कर सकते हो मल्टीप्लिकेशन न्यूमरेटर विथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विथ डिनोमिनेटर, और फाइनल आंसर फाइंड आउट करो। सो ऐसे आपको आगे बढ़ना है। ए हमने करके दिखाया है, बी में इसी तरह से 2 और सम्स होंगे, वो आपको सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस करना है। एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, इसका PDF आपको मिल जाएगा इसके